testing. Welcome everybody to the 2025 June Lake Autumn Beer Festival. Thank you so much for being here. What a great crowd. My name is Kirsty Butler. I am the president and CEO of the June Lake Little Loopers. We are the nonprofit that puts this whole event on. We have 9 board members that help organize this starting tomorrow. And we work on this all year round. This is our biggest fundraiser. All the money goes back to our nonprofit to help put on events for our kids, summer camps, subsidies for sports, ski lessons, whatever it is. We help our children in June Lake and Northern Monroe County have some things to do around here, because we're kind of small around here, not a bunch of stuff to do. So that's what this event is about. We appreciate you guys coming out. We're gonna open the beer garden here soon. I see a lot of folks already in line. We have 19 wonderful brewers this year, along with our non-alcoholic brewery over here that when you need a break, go over and try them out. They're great. And we have lots of good vendors here this year. And we also will be doing the Stein holding at 1:30. You have to sign up for that separately. I want to introduce our MC for the afternoon is Tavish Thomas. And he will be on the mic giving a few updates here and there. So when you hear him talking, you should probably listen to what he's got to say. But otherwise, y'all, thank you so much for being here and just have a really great time, all right?
Yeah. We got a hell of a day lined up for you guys. All you have to do is eat, drink, rock out, drink, be nice. We'll handle the rest. We got some killer bands lined up for you. We've got the, this is a duet. Lost Cement. Mine. Cool. I know everybody in this band's gonna be great. Let's see here. What else we got? We got the core shots. Felt cutouts.
And the resonators.
And the resonators. I thought the core. Okay, you changed the stuff. We also have some interactive games, as Kirsty was saying. We got the men's and women's Stein holding contest for the small price of $20. You get to participate with your fellow man and woman to a test of strength, endurance, courageousness, and commitment to find out who amongst you is the gladiator. You're all going to be winners, though, at the end of the Stein holding contest, because you get to keep the Stein, which is worth $20. You get to drink the $30 of beer in it. That's free. But 2 of you, 1 boy, 1 girl from each group, is going to walk away with $100,000 in their pocket. That's right. Giving away $200,000 this year. It's happening. 2 weeks ago, some tycoon decided to sweeten the deal a little bit. It's happening. I've got it in the bag. It's right there. Just hold that beer. Imagine what you can do with it. Change your life. Might leave your wife. All you have to do is cough up the $20. I think we got 5 men's out of the 20 left over there, maybe 4 women over there. So right over there at the, or you can do it at the merch tent. You can get it. There's only a few left, so pick them up. We're doing that at 1:30. Let's see what else I want to say here. I'd like to give a shout out to all the local legends who changed the vibe and the culture of this area in such a tremendous way. Given so much of this town. I've been here since the 90s, and it's just amazing to see what this place is now. I want to give a big shout out to the people that work so hard making and serving the super awesome beer. It's all the boys and the girls at the iconic JLB Brewing Company. Give them a big shout out. You know them, you love them, you give them all your money, you invite them into your homes and give them your Hulu passwords. Of course, I'm talking about our dear friends Ryan, Joey, Abby, Tara, Jess, Kara, Jake, Lindsay, Carson Roberts, Dilly, Leon Anderton Smith, Carter, who may or may not have a birthday coming up tomorrow. And don't let us forget the janitor who runs the entire operation, the man, the myth, the legend, the unholy dark prince of beer passion, the devil himself, Justin Walsh. Yeah. AKA Sexual Vanilla Chocolate. Yeah. Okay. That's it. What else we got? I want to give a shout out to the Little Loopers members too. There is this is one of the events that they do. They do all this stuff around here all year round. And the Little Loopers include Kirsty Butler, Lydia March, Lauren Dorr, Leon, Mary Beth, MK, Elisa Powell, Jora Fogg, Lindsay King, Carson Roberts, Amanda Spencer, Missy Larson, Jill K, Heather Strange. These ladies make the Beer Fest happen, all while balancing families and businesses. We love you.
Thank you, guys.
Jam out.
Go out right there.